Do you want to know how you can log into your Nova AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Nova AI account. First of all, what you need to do is open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Nova AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Nova. What you need to do is write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password. After you write down your email and password, go ahead and click continue. This way you can log into your Nova AI account using your email address. If you want to skip all of this, go ahead and click continue with Google or continue with Apple and you will log in with your accounts. So let's go ahead and click continue with Google. This page will open up. Go ahead and choose your Gmail address, press continue and give approval to sign in with your Nova app. And there you go. This is how you sign in to your Nova AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.